Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming Gmod and Steam are fully updated. This prevents version conflicts. Next, verify game files through Steam to restore corrupt data. Once done, close overlays and CPU-heavy programs. Overlays often cause hangs. Make a quick backup of your add-ons and CFG folder so you can revert if needed. These steps remove common sources of freezing and prepare a clean environment for deeper fixes. Proceed only after backups complete and system resources are clear. Now focus on add-ons and system drivers. Disable all workshop add-ons, then re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. Reset Gmod launch options and clear the workshop download cache to eliminate corrupted content. Update your GPU drivers to the latest stable release and set Windows Power Plan to high performance to avoid throttling. Once you isolate a problematic add-on or asset, remove it permanently. If freezes persist, test with a clean vanilla server or single-player session to reproduce the issue. Finish by ensuring your config files are restored correctly and test gameplay after reintroducing trusted add-ons slowly. If problems continue, perform a clean reinstall of Gmod, remove leftover folders in user data and Steam apps, then test before restoring backups. Make sure to capture console logs and crash reports. They explain why the engine hung. If nothing helps, produce a minimal reproducible case with exact steps and the log file to share on forums or with support. That targeted report speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.